I made over $4 million by the age of 22, and I want to share with you exactly what I would do if I had to start all over again and make my first $1 million using the easiest method possible. There has truly never been an easier time than now to make $1 million thanks to the power of social media. Those who take advantage of this golden opportunity will make it out on top and become extremely wealthy. And those who miss this opportunity will likely be stuck working a job, and if you're fine with that, then that's cool. But if you truly feel like you're meant for more in life and you want to reach financial freedom, then this video is for you, and it's going to give you the exact blueprint you need to make your first $1 million. Now let's get into it. It's no surprise that people are making millions of dollars by posting content on social media. Literally everyone and their mom started posting content, and I see why. The opportunities that come with this are insane, and there truly has never been a better time than now to start. And so if I had $0 right now, I would actually become a content creator and start posting on social media. I truly believe this is the easiest way to make your first $1 million. A content creator is just someone that posts on social media and makes a living from it. I would be considered a content creator, same as Mr. Beast, Emma Chamberlain, and there are some content creators that don't show their face. Showing your face isn't a requirement if you were wondering. Now, before you become a content creator, there is a lot you have to learn, and you definitely do have to make a mindset shift. I definitely recommend you read the book Show Your Work by Austin Kleon. Also, This is Marketing by Seth Godin, Atomic Habits by James Clear, and lastly, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Reading these books will give you a ton of knowledge on what it takes to become a successful content creator and also help you make a mindset shift, which I believe is extremely important if you actually want to achieve anything great in life. Now, let's move on to the steps you need to take in order to actually become a content creator. First, you want to pick a niche or a topic you're interested in, and you want to make your content all about that. You can seriously pick anything: finance, fitness, health, gaming, technology. There are so many options. For me, of course, I picked finance since I'm passionate about that, and you definitely want to pick something that you actually like because it'll make the process so much more enjoyable. Now, most content creators that you see all show their face, like Mr. Beast and so on, but there are some people that don't. I truly believe if you want to make the most amount of money possible, it's much better if you show your face, but this isn't a requirement. If you're someone that's like, I can never show my face online, then that's fine because you don't actually have to. The theme page Wealth is an example of a content creator that doesn't show their face, but they do share content about business and just lifestyle and mindset. However, I would personally want to show my face because it'll help me grow a lot faster, also help me build a connection with my audience, and it also helps you stand out. Now, once you've picked your niche, the next step is to actually start creating content. Now, the type of content you want to create is short form videos. 99% of people on the internet consume short form videos, and you'll be posting these videos on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Pinterest. And sure, posting long videos on YouTube is very rewarding. However, it is actually difficult to do this, and I don't really recommend you think about making long videos until way later on once you have a ton of experience. Creating content is actually pretty simple, but creating content that actually goes viral is a bit tricky. In order to make your first $1 million as a content creator, you definitely need to be strategic. I think a lot of content creators fail because they just kind of do whatever they want, post whatever they want, and that doesn't always work. So what you actually want to do is study successful content creators in your space. See the videos that they post that are doing extremely well and people interact with. And so once you kind of have an idea of what videos do well with your competitors, then you can start creating content, and you do definitely want to make content similar to your competitors. And so in your first 90 days of posting content, you don't just want to post anything, you want to post something that you know will go viral. And how do you know if a video will go viral? Well, let's say you see your competitor posting a certain video and it does well. Well, if you just remake that video and then post it on your account, the chances of it going viral is high. And so basically what you actually want to do is just try to remake your viral competitors' videos, and then you're likely going to have a viral video on your account. When I first started posting content, that's kind of what I did, and it worked for me. For example, this content creator in my space made a video on different habits that can make you a millionaire, and if I just remake this video but add my own twist on it, then it's likely to go viral. And the nice thing with short videos is you can just literally post them on every social media platform, and so you're getting exposure from everywhere. And if you want to create high quality videos, it's pretty simple. All you need to do is use your phone, and then you can edit the video with CapCut. CapCut CapCut is really easy to use. I use it to edit a lot of my videos. And so if you just post anywhere from 2 to 3 videos every single day on every one of your social media platforms, eventually with time you will build a following. And obviously how fast you grow will depend on several factors. Sometimes you can't really control the outcome. Some people get 10,000 followers in 1 week, and it takes some other people a few months before they hit 10,000 followers. But as long as you're consistent and you're keeping up with trends, I promise eventually you will start to see some success. I remember when I first started, it took me about 6 months before I hit 20,000 followers on TikTok, so it definitely does take time. As a content creator, you have to remember that you are building a community and you want people to gain value from your videos and look forward to seeing them. And now you're probably wondering, how can I actually make money from this? Well, you can make money by promoting different products and services to your audience. And the products you promote don't obviously have to be your own, so you can be promoting a brand's products to your audience. And this is called affiliate marketing. So as an affiliate marketer, what you do is just promote a brand's products or services to your audience with a unique link that you're given. And if someone clicks on your link and signs up or purchases the product, you end up making a commission. Now, what you promote really just depends on the niche you're in. There are some affiliate links that can pay you very generously. We're talking $10,000, $20,000 a month. And so I urge you to search on Google for the best affiliate links in your niche. And you should see a ton of options come up. Another way you can find affiliate links is by using impact.com, which has a ton of great affiliate links. And you can also become an Amazon affiliate. And so if you like Amazon products, you can promote them to your audience. And to become an Amazon affiliate, you just have to go to Amazon Associates and sign up there. And then with all your affiliate links, you want to put them on your own custom website. And if you're wondering how you can create a custom website, I recommend you just use the website Linktree. It basically just allows you to add all your links on one page, and then you can promote that page to your audience. And anytime someone actually goes on your Linktree and signs up or makes a purchase, you make a commission. And if you're wondering how you can effectively promote your affiliate links, I recommend just looking at your competitors and see what they're doing. That's kind of what I did when I first started out, and it actually helped me out a lot. I was actually making over $10,000 a month at one point just from posting videos on TikTok, because a ton of people were going to the link in my bio and signing up for the different affiliate links I had. And so it is possible for you to make a lot of money from this. Now, if you need a bit more guidance on affiliate marketing and actually want to make this your full-time income, I do have an affiliate marketing course that teaches you the exact strategy I follow that makes me over $15,000 per month. If you want to try affiliate marketing as a content creator, but also want to try affiliate marketing without being a content creator, this course will be great for you, and I'll leave a link for it in the description of this video if you want to check it out. Now, moving on, let's talk about what it really takes to hit your first $1 million as a content creator, because not everyone does, and you need to be strategic. And so one great way to get there is by promoting high ticket affiliate links. High ticket affiliate links pay you generously anywhere from $50 to $300 and up per sign up. And the best way to find high ticket affiliate links is by using impact.com. And sometimes brands will actually email you and invite you to join their affiliate program. And so sometimes you can find affiliate links that way. Another way you can make a lot of money as a content creator is by selling your own product. Now, this doesn't work for everyone, but it definitely is lucrative. Now, selling your own product that's actually like an item like clothes or something is usually not that easy. The best product to sell that can make you a lot of money is a digital product. A digital product could be like a course or a short guide. For example, let's say you're in the cooking niche, well, you can sell a cookbook to your audience. Or if you just have some sort of skill that you're really good at and you want to teach people, then you can sell a course. Now, the last and most important thing you need to keep in mind if you want to make a lot of money as a content creator is just growing your audience. Obviously, the bigger you get, the more money you make and the more opportunities that will come up. I remember at one point, there were sponsors paying me over $10,000 to just post one TikTok video on my account, and that's when I had 500,000 TikTok followers. And so obviously, if you grow your account, you'll make a lot more money. A sponsor is pretty much just a company that will pay you money to promote their products. And so it's really just a numbers game. The more you can grow, the more opportunities you'll get, the better sponsors you'll get, you'll make more money from affiliate marketing, and you'll get more sales for your product. I truly do believe that this is the simplest way to make your first $1 million. Forget dropshipping, forget YouTube automation and all those other side hustles. Being a content creator is where it's at. Remember, this is simple, not easy. All good things take time. But what I love about being a content creator is as you continue to grow, the more opportunities come and the more money you make. With other businesses, a lot of the time you start, you make a lot of money in the beginning, but then sometimes it dies, similar to like starting your own dropshipping store. And sure, as a content creator, you have to invest a lot more time up front, but it's not going to cost you any money. And the great thing here is that over time, you can actually make a lot more money. I promise if you're consistent and you trust the process, it is possible for you to hit your first $1 million as a content creator. So go out there and learn more about becoming a content creator, watch YouTube videos, learn from people who are doing what you want to do. And I promise if you just start and you're consistent, great things can happen. And truly, if I had to start all over again from nothing, I would 100% become a content creator. I believe it's the easiest way to make your first $1 million. Most successful content creators are no different than you. They just took action and were consistent, and they were eventually able to make it work. So if you just do the same thing, I don't see why you can't also become a successful content creator. There has never been an easier time than now to do this. I don't believe this opportunity will be here forever, so take advantage of it while you can. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.